I had to turn my air conditioning off to do this video, so wham 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 wham. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on Twitter and Twitch, and you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Boop. And some worse. Hello, pals. It's Friday, so we're opening a beater box. This one is like every other box. It's from Sole Supremacy. Give them a shout, solesupremacy.com. This box costs $700 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $750. Look, that's the counter. Its name is Clarence. I name things because I'm weird. Let's open the box. We've had 2 weeks of good boxes. Hopefully this trend keeps going, because I do not need another box with 18 pairs of mostly grade school shoes. $700 is a really good range. It's probably one of the better ranges there are. Hopefully this box doesn't make me look like an idiot. More of an idiot, sorry. Looks like a couple loose pairs in here. Yeah, let's do loose pairs first. So this first loose pair, it's a FLYKNIT trainer. It's a large size, size 12. Got a FLYKNIT trainer in the multicolor colorway. I mean, it looks like, it's FLYKNIT upper on a trainer shoe. If it was 2012, these would be going for about $750 billion. Overall, the shoe is in pretty decent shape. There's a little bit of drag on the heel right there. But again, these are from like 2019, 2014, or 2013, 2014. It's a FLYKNIT Trainer Plus. Nike Plus was a technology they used for a little bit and don't anymore because technology advances. Size 12, FLYKNIT Trainer Plus in the multicolor colorway. Hey, if you want to buy those, or any of the other shoes in this box, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. They will be available for sale, and also free domestic shipping on any order over $250. I haven't said that in a while, so I just want to remind you guys. There is another loose pair in here. It's actually pretty good, and it's a good time of year to get them, so I will not complain. It is probably a size 12 again. No, it's a size 10. US men's 10. It's a Yeezy 350 V2. This is the cream colorway. This is a shoe that has released and re-released a couple of times. First thing I always want to check with these is the insole. The insole writing is all there. That's very good. Shoe itself is pretty clean. The upper does not have much dirtiness going on with it. I'm gonna get this. You can see the outsole, pretty decent shape. The boost discoloration is pretty minimal. I should be able to clean those up. Not much heel drag, so that's good. These are in overall pretty good shape, and it's a size 10. Very good size for a Yeezy, and it's probably one of the most neutral, I guess you could say, Yeezy colorways there are. A lot of people like this because it's a fit-friendly shoe. So, can't really complain about that. Size 10. 350 V2. Looks like there's a CDP down there too. We got a shoe without a box top. This is a size 11 Air Max 2 Light SP, and there it is. These are very lightly worn. I don't know what the colorway is called. What does the colorway say on the box? Dark Obsidian Sail Racer Blue. But it fails to mention the white, the green, or the Volt liner. I mean, it's an Air Max Light too. Comfortable trainer, probably not much value. It looks like it came from an outlet, which is totally fine. Nike has been putting a lot more effort into Air Maxes, especially retros of Air Maxes from like the 90s, and a lot of people are being really responsive to it, so you can't really knock them for that. Overall, secondary market value on this is probably not great, but it is a cool shoe. So, did I say what size it was? It's a size 11. Size 11 Air Max Light 2, whatever SP stands for. Air Max 2 Light, sorry. Air Max 2 Light SP in some kind of wild colorway. It's an okay shoe to get. Probably not much value, but still a cool shoe with a pretty decent story, it seems. Another red Nike box. It says it's a Nike Roshe 1 and a size 12. Again, a shoe that would be worth more than it would be now if it was 2014. I forget the name of this colorway. Kind of reminds me of the Chairman Bao Dunks. It's a similar looking colorway, but I'm sure that's not what this is. Roshes were pretty big in the beginning of 2010s. Overall, these don't have much nipple loss, which is cool. It's a lightweight running shoe. These were pretty big for a minute, but not anymore. Insole, I don't know if there's supposed to be writing in there, but the insole is this bright yellow. Yeah, it says Roshe. Roshe Run, cool. So it is the original insole. It is a size 12. A Roshe, interesting. Don't see too many of those nowadays because they're just not really worth much. Looks like the rest are Jordans. We're gonna save the older Jordans for a little bit later. Excuse me. Size 13, Jordan 6 Retro. These are worn, but this is the 2018 infrared 6s that came out. They do have lace locks. You can see the suede is pretty good. I gotta look closer to see if there's any kind of like scuffing or anything all around it. The outsole is in pretty decent shape. Just need to clean up. There's not much like drag or anything weird going on with it. There's a little bit of discoloration from wear and or age, which age shouldn't really factor because it's only a 3-year-old shoe. But again, a classic OG Jordan Retro, and it's just got the Nike Air on the back instead of the Jumpman, so a lot of people prefer it. There you go, size 13, excellent size for a Jordan 6 if you ask me. Infrared 6s, pretty good size on that. Looks like another big Jordan, looks like a 12 or a 13 maybe. 13. It's a Jordan 13 in a size 13. Worn again, but very lately. This is the 2017 Retro, the Altitude 13s. I mean, it's a mostly black Jordan 13 with a, I think it's called Altitude Green. Yeah, Altitude Green, a little bit of outsole, and the Jumpman is colored too. Got a full Jumpman on the insole, which is very, very cool. It's a simple colorway on a really, really classic silhouette that a lot of people seem to like, especially in size 13. So again, a good shoe. Not mind-blowing, but a good shoe nonetheless. Size 13, Altitude 13s from 2017. A lot of 7s and 3s in there. I'm gonna get the Countdown Pack one out of the way first, I think. So we got a release from the Countdown Pack. This was a pack that released Jordan 1 through 22 to celebrate the Jordan 23 being released. They came in packs that added up to 23. So like say there was a Jordan 3 and a Jordan 20. I don't know which one this is because there's no marking on it. Whoa! It's probably one of the better ones to get. Let's see what size it is first. Looks like a pretty decent size too. Size 12. Excellent. So we got a worn size 12. Jordan Countdown Pack. This is the BRED 11s from the Countdown Pack. This came in the pack with the 11s and the 12s. Probably the best pack of all of them that came out. I know the 12s were like the Taxi 12s or something like that, but I mean, it's an older shoe. It's from 2008, so it does have a lot of years on it, but these are really well kept, really good condition. Outsole has a little bit of wear on it. There is a little bit of creasing on the toe box, but not a whole lot, especially for a patent leather shoe. It's got that signature Countdown Pack insole with the Roman numerals on it, which is probably the biggest difference. This is a good get. I mean, it might be older, so there might not be as much value, but it's one of the most iconic Jordan releases ever. And it's one of the most important packs of all time, if you ask me. So size 12, Jordan 11 from the Countdown Pack. Dang, that's an awesome shoe to get. There goes my box pile. Got one more in here. It's like a mid-2000s kind of Jordan based on the box. It's a size 12, Jordan 7 Retro, and if that's what is in here, I will be very happy. Bingo. Got a pair of Bordeaux 7s. This is probably one of the most iconic Jordan 7s ever to release. My favorites happen to be the Cardinals, but a lot of people much prefer the Bordeaux. This is the 2010 or 2011 release. So this is definitely the tail end of this era. But this shoe is, I mean, all suede upper, great color blocking. You can see the outsole is in really good shape. It's got the shoe trees in here, and there is a Jumpman. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but there is a Jumpman inside of there. So, great size too, man. This box is really fun. Size 12, Bordeaux 7s is your last pair, and that is a $700 Sole Supremacy beater box. And it's a good one, but let's see what the numbers say. I mean, when it comes to a Countdown Pack release, there's like 3 shoes that you can guarantee are gonna be good ones. We got one of the good ones. So I'm very happy with this box. Really good variety, pretty decent sizes. So yeah, keep the streak alive. Hey, if you wanna buy any of these, they'll be available on my website today at 6 p.m. and that website is sbmitch.com. Before that happens, they will be cleaned and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products. And you can save 10% on your Resjuvenator order if you use my code. Woo! You can save 10% if you use my code. And you can save 10% on your Resjuvenator order if you use my code SBMitch10 at checkout. And that's 10% off your entire order. Not like 10% off shipping, because they do free shipping. So double whammy. In a good way though. Is that how it works? I don't know. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a really good weekend. We'll see you next time. And until then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!